Welcome to the Transportation Engineering Laboratory. So in this video, the demonstration of the conduction of the Los Angeles abrasion test will be explained. So before that, the main aim of conducting this test is to know the wear and tear of the aggregates. So when does these aggregates rise to the wearing? This is mainly due to the traffic. The traffic which is on the pavement, especially because we are dealing with transportation lab. So when we are constructing a road, whether it may be flexible or rigid pavement, we come across heavy load vehicles passing on that, and due to that, wearing of the road takes place. So by conducting this Los Angeles abrasion test, we can know that whether the aggregates are good enough to use for the construction of a flexible or rigid pavements. So we have a different apparatus. It is in cylindrical shape, and we have abrasive charge, and the abrasive charge is nothing but that is the number of steel balls that are going to be used in this. So let's start the experiment. Before that, the apparatus will be explained in the video. Thank you. So we have 20 mm sieve here and 12.5 mm, and the third one is 10 mm sieve and fourth one is pan. So in this type of grade, we will take the aggregates and start the experiment here like this. We are pouring the aggregates here like this. So we have to pour the aggregates like this. Take the required quantity of aggregates, and after that we have to sieve, and we have to take 2500 grams, that is written on 12.5 mm, and 2500 grams of aggregates, that is written on 10 mm for the required grade. So now let us start the sieve shaking by keeping the lid there. So the sieve shaking is done like this. So we can observe that some of the aggregates are retained on 20 mm sieve, and most of the aggregates are retained on 12.5 mm sieve, and these are the aggregates that are retained on 10 mm sieve. So we have to take 2500 grams of this aggregate also into consideration for the experimental procedure. There. 2500 grams of aggregates that are retained on 12.5 mm sieve are taken now. So in the same manner, the aggregates that are retaining on 10 mm sieve has to be taken of the same weight, that is 2500 grams, and the mixture is 5 kilograms, and that is taken into the abrasion testing machine. So now we can observe both the aggregates are mixed here. Yes, a total weight of 5 kilograms is taken, and this is poured into the Los Angeles abrasion testing machine directly with the abrasive charge. So the yes, the aggregates are poured into the abrasion testing machine like this, and we can observe that aggregate is inside the machine, and the lid is closed in a very proper way. After that, the experiment will be started. We can observe that there is a reading here which is showing 0. So we have to give 500 number of revolutions depending on the type of the grade we use. So the lid has to be fixed properly like this. So the lid has to be fixed properly with the spanner. And let's start the machine now. You can see that we have to set the reading to 500 here as shown by a technician. So after setting the reading to 500, we have to start the procedure by clicking the start button. After that, a huge sound is made by this machine whenever the experiment is started, and automatically the machine stops after the 500 revolutions is completed. So let's start by clicking start there. So we can observe that at 500 revolutions, the machine has automatically stopped. So let's open the lid and see the crushed aggregates, and let's sieve it with 1.75 mm sieve. So we have to open it carefully. The lid has to be opened very carefully. So after opening the lid, you have to pour the aggregates like this. So you can see the crushed aggregates like this.